वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसली साऊद आनी भलायकीन. एंड टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू वन्स अगेन Christmas cake, as the Christmas is near and no soaking for overnights or maybe 2 nights or 20 days or 1 month. This is an instant cake which is Christmas cake without eggs again. So what we need is, so I'm going to make 2 batches of cake. So for 2 batches of cake I will be adding around total 4 cups of all purpose flour, that is maida, and this is around 400 grams. So I got it from our Delfinos. So it is 400 grams and it cost me 384. So what we have to do, so this we need, maida we need, few ingredients, and then you can caramelize the sugar or you use brown sugar half cup. Then I'm going to use some 4 rupees of coffee, Nescafe. So in India we get like this. So you have to, it's like 4 teaspoons. So no, not 1 rupee, now it is 2 rupees. Earlier it was 1 rupee. So it is like 4 teaspoon of coffee, Nescafe, and some juice I will use to soak this, and hot water and coffee. So this all we need. So coffee we will add with our sugar, and for this we have to now make it what? This is my chopper, one the chef, and I have to make it like little bit fine, otherwise they have all this. You can use your mixer grinder if you don't have this. If not, try to buy one, because I want it nutty. So this is done. So now we'll take a bowl and I will take a little hot water, around 1/4 cup, and let it get melt in this. So I have used hot water. I will mix this. Now we will add some orange juice to this. To soak this at least few hours, let it get soaked in this. And we'll add this also, hot. So no alcohol, no eggs. And let this soak for a few hours. Then I'll tell you what we need to add. Till then, see you. So now you have heard many times people using all purpose flour, and that is because it is included these 2 things. One is baking powder and one is baking soda. So this is 500 grams, that is half kg of maida, that is our white flour. Refined, I use always refined wheat flour. So what we need to make this all purpose flour, we need this of, for this quantity, 2 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so this is 2 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. So make it half teaspoon of baking soda. That's it. So this is what is all-purpose flour is made of. And then we have to just mix this all nicely and keep aside. And whenever you want to make and don't want to add anything like baking soda and it becomes how much to use, what to use, then this is it. Just directly add to your batter this thing and it's done. So only see that you mix this all nicely. You can add a pinch of salt if you want, but it depends on what recipe you are making. So now this is nicely mixed. So here it is, our all-purpose flour. So mostly UK or any Europe places, they don't use plain flour. They will use this all-purpose flour, which these two things are already included. Okay. Welcome again. So now this is my soaked. So I have not soaked it overnight. It is just for few hours and it is nicely soaked. So because this is instant cake, it is not like you have to. The aroma is very nice. So now what we will do, we will divide this, because when you are adding self-risen flour, that is all-purpose flour, that time you have to see that you are baking it quickly. So I will remove this half, around 2 of this, and see, this is 1, this is 2. I will take more in this, so then we can divide our this. So for this quantity of we will add our all-purpose flour, that is self-risen flour, around 2 cups. So 1, and 2. So 2 cups of this. Keep aside everything which is not needed, and we will mix this all nicely. Okay, we mix this all nicely together. So if in between, if you need anything, then you can add some juice to this. Now we can add this also. And mix this nicely. So either you can add juice or you can add some warm, hot water and mix this. Because I divided that to this, because otherwise lots of nuts also, it becomes too much. But depends, like if you want a lot of nutty, then it's up to you. So mix this very nicely. So we want like this. So preheat your oven for around 200 degrees for 20 minutes and keep your tins ready to bake. So here are my, I'm going to do directly in this. Grease it with butter. Mix, 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 mix. So I've added around like half cup of water, plain hot water. So now if you want to add salt, you can add pinch of salt to this. It's up to you. And you have to bake this at least for 1 hour. So but you check, keep on checking. Once the knife, whatever you check, comes smoothly, then it's done. So now we'll add one in this. So 2 in each is enough. So it's done. My oven is preheated. Let's bake this. Let's bake it for 40 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Here all is gone inside. Okay. So now these are the cakes. So as they are a little bit warm, what you do, make some holes with toothpick and then add some orange juice. So it becomes little bit nice moist. Okay. Orange juice. So it goes inside in all the cakes. That's it. So I have already done this for this one and I have cut it also, and this is the cake. It's nice and very tasty also. So try this recipe and make it. So this is, see, no butter, no oil, no eggs and very less sugar, and this orange juice makes it yum. So enjoy this Christmas with this yummy cake. Thank you so much. You can decorate this also. Okay, now this is what I've showed you. Like you want to give your friends and all, then you can give directly. Now if you want more fluffy the cake, then instead of 2 spoons what I should put 3 to 4 more, then you will get it. Here I had put 3 that big spoon of batter, and it's like this. So do that way. Okay, thank you. And you can decorate this while you are giving to them, easily available anyway. So on our sprinklers, it looks Christmas when you put all this. So I'm just showing you all how you can decorate this, but rest is all up to you all, how you all decorate. And Merry Christmas to you all. थँक्यू सो मच. मानता तुमकां हें आवडटलें आनी तुमी हें करून खातेली आनी कांय इनग्रिडियंट्स ना आनी इजी सारकी. इजी क्रिसमस केक ओनली विथ 3 ingredients. थँक्यू.
Now it's ready. Eggless Christmas cake with just 3 ingredients. Try it at home.